It's an exciting day today. We got Riley a new box.
Me and the boys was sitting around drinking. We was talking about things that we was thinking, when all of a sudden, what comes out of Bill's mouth? Said, I'm getting old and fat and slow, and I don't recover like I did before from nights of rabble, rousing, and too much fun. Well, I looked around and we all agreed, and I had a drink and I ordered 3, and I staggered back to do it all again. Then we made an oath on a rum and coke with the best intention, I'm sure you know, that we would stop this living in excess. We're gonna have one more party, one more special occasion. Do it Mondays, Tuesdays, Wednesdays, Thursdays, holidays and weekends. We can have one more party. There's more hell we should be raising. One more party now, one more party tonight.
Alright guys, I got the Sunlu PETG black filament, and we're going to try to print that plug out with this stuff, and we'll see how it does. So CETG or PETG Sunlu and black. Alright, it printed. It looks like it printed pretty well. Let's go see how she fits. Alright, it looks like it did a pretty nice job printing. Now let's just see if it fits. I might have to sand it down a little bit because the PLA one was a little tight. But it'll fill that hole. Alright, I'm going to go try to press it in. Well, that was a lot easier than I thought it was going to be. It just snapped right in, but it's nice and snug. It's not wobbling at all. And it looks pretty good in there. What do you guys think? You let me know. And I think it looks pretty decent. Fills that hole. Talk to you guys later. Alright, well, you seen that the cat got a new box. Well, that's because I ordered a new network. So I decided to go get the TP-Link AXE75. And I thought, okay, we're going to do a little unboxing here to see what's all about. This one was pretty highly rated, so let's open this thing up and see what's in the box. Okay, taking it out. And let's see, what do I got to do to get this open now? Okay, that flips up, and then in the box, instructions and the router. So it's a Wi-Fi router, comes with a cable, pretty short one, and it also comes with, I'm guessing this is a power supply. Okay, power supply. Must plug in there somewhere. So let's see, I'm done with the box. And then I also got me a range extender. This is the AXE75. Can you see that? Let's see. Yep, AXE75. Let's unbox this and see what parts come in this box. Pull that out. More instructions and the range extender. So looking at this, it's got a couple little wing arms, and it just plugs in. On the side there's a button. It says reset, so that must be a thing where you got to plug it, or push a pin into. And well, that's about it. Let's see, how do you take this thing off? Looks like you can, it's got a little sticker on the side here. Straighten out all the antennae and pull that off. Okay, TP-Link Wi-Fi 6E. Then the arms go up and out, so you can adjust them however you need to. And then on the back side, there is 4 networks out, 1 network in, a power switch, and where you plug in the power cord. Then there's an LED, a WPS, and a Wi-Fi buttons all on here. And then another reset. Then on the front, there's a bunch of little blinky lights. Oh, and on the side, there's a USB 3 port. So it looks like we might be able to plug an external hard drive onto this. And then there's little things around all these antennae, but yeah, probably can leave those. Same with whatever's on the top. Alright, so shall we go unhook my old one and hook this thing up and see how it works? Alright, on to the next step. Alright, this should be pretty simple. I just unplugged the wires from my old router, plugged them back in to my new router, and that's the in from the cable modem. Here's the outs to various other equipment I got. Alright, now shall we plug it in and see how it goes? Let's see, so here's the power brick. Here's the cable. And there's the power switch. So that should be hooking up now, if everything is saying the way or working the way it should. Okay, now let's go see. I think there's supposed to be some app I need to download now. Okay, it says that I need to download the Tether app and then start connecting it up. So I guess that's what I'll do next. Or method 2 via web browser. Maybe I can do it right from my computer. Huh, okay. Well, let's try it with the Tether app. So I'm going to load that and then maybe I'll get back to you in a bit. Okay guys, I got it all connected now. This little light went red and I called up Spectrum to find out why I wasn't connecting to the internet, and basically we had to reboot the cable modem so that this would reconnect. Once I did that, then I was able to go through the TP-Link and reset all that stuff up. So now that's all connected. Looks like we got some very fast internet connection speeds now. Looking good. I'll let you know later if I have any issues, but so far so good. It seems to be about 10 times faster than my old one. Okay guys, now I have the range extender for out in the shop. This one's an RE715X TP-Link Wi-Fi router. This one supposed to have a little bit faster, a little bit stronger than the one I put in the kitchen. So let's hook it up and see how it works. Okay guys, I got it set up. It's there in front of the window so it gets the best signal it can get. And it plays. So definitely can do some internet stuff out here. So looks like I got some more stuff I can do now, where I want to hook a camera up on my Cheedy printer, so that I can pay attention when I'm in the house to what I'm doing out here. So there you have it guys, it works.
Me and the boys was sitting around drinking, we was talking about things that we was thinking, when all of a sudden what comes out of Bill's mouth? Said I'm getting old and fat and slow, and I don't recover like I did before from nights of rabble, rousing and too much fun. Well, I looked around and we all agreed, and I had a drink and I ordered 3, and I staggered back to do it all again. And we made an oath on a rum and coke with the best intention, I'm sure you know, that we would stop this living in excess. We're gonna have one more party, one more special occasion. Do it Mondays, Tuesdays, Wednesdays, Thursdays, holidays and weekends. We can have one more party. There's more hell we should be raising. One more party now, one more party.